Okay, this is going to be a short unboxing or unbagging or unpackaging video of my Ruger Mark I pellet pistol. And I purchased this from Walmart, and the Walmart, they sealed this thing pretty good against they seal it pretty good so that as you're walking through the store, it's already been paid for. You have to pay for things back at the firearms counter. And one way that they maintain control is to actually seal the bags and put the receipt on the outside of the bag so that others will know that it's been paid for and the bag is sealed pretty well. Okay, so here it is. Let's see if we can pull this up a little closer. The Ruger Mark I high power pellet pistol. And this is the 4.5 millimeter or .177 caliber fiber optics. Allegedly accurate, so accuracy with a rifled barrel. And it's a spring piston styled pellet rifle or pellet pistol. So you just have to cock it once. And allegedly has a velocity of 600 feet per second. And that, I believe, is with the high velocity pellets. Okay, so those would probably be the non-lead pellets. Alright, let's set this guy down. And we're going to use the well-used Field and Stream pocket knife for this. And I really hate these blister packs like these. They are not really that hard, but when you do get them loose, they just happen to be they can be very sharp. So you run the risk of actually, oh wow, uh-oh. I think I just had a knife failure. Uh-oh, that's not good. It looks like the locking mechanism on my Field and Stream has pretty much gone kaput. And that is not good. Not good at all. So I'm going to have to investigate what's actually going on with this. Of course, after I open this. So we'll just work with the blade. As I said, I really hate opening these blister packs. I've never actually cut myself with one, but I've come close. So we'll just kind of work our way around here. Open it like this. Like that. And we'll see if we can just shimmy that on out there. And this is it. Can you see that? Okay, I'm losing my perspective here. Alright, there you go. As you can see, the fiber optic sight there. Let me get up and come around this way. Good, that's better. There is a big bumblebee flying over my head right now. And I guess as long as I leave him alone, or she, or whatever, it. There you go, the Ruger symbol. And this is a composite. Down the barrel there. Safety. off. And I'm not sure, I'll have to do some reading on this to find out where the actual release on this is before cocking. But let me just get back down to this. Alright, there you go. And the instruction manual. Okay, so once I get everything sorted out with this, I'll give it a shot and see how it works. I want to just run a patch down the barrel just to clean out any debris, make sure that everything is square with that. And this is something interesting. I'll have to take a look at this. I don't know. Have you ever seen this before? Okay, and just miscellaneous cards about do not return this product to the store for ages 16 and older. A lot of French air gun safety rules. Everything seems to be French. Okay. And air gun registration and shooter's kit. Alright, that's pretty much it. And this appears to be a barrel shroud of some sort. I'm not 100% sure. And I'll definitely have to look into the directions to see exactly what this bad boy is all about. So, thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you've ever actually used this, if you possess this, and what your experience with this is. I will be shooting this a little later and seeing what it's capable of doing. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.